In this video, we will demonstrate how to build and configure the login form with Quick Links widget. Here is an example of a pre-built login form with Quick Links widget. The login form with Quick Links widget consists of a login button tile that will appear to the left-hand side of 3 additional button tiles. The login button tile will only display to users who are not logged into the site, i.e. not authenticated users. When a user logs into the site, the login button tile will not appear, and the 3 remaining button tiles will widen to fit the width of the screen. Clicking a button tile will take the user to a pre-selected destination and allow a not authenticated user to enter their login credentials, or allow them to reset their password or register for the site via the login form, depending on the URLs that have been enabled. When creating a login form with Quick Links widget, we can add it to an extra large content block. So to add our widget, we're going to go ahead and click on that hamburger menu and click Add New Widget. Go ahead and locate your widget, click it, and click Select. Now we can go ahead and configure our widget. Note that any fields marked with a red asterisk are required to be filled out before we can save our widget. Let's go ahead and start at the top. First, we have the theme, and this allows you to choose between one of 3 custom themes that have been applied to the website. The login title text will appear as the title for the login card, and the login button redirect will control where users will be redirected to upon logging into the website. By default, what you see within the configuration settings now are the default settings for the widget, but you're more than welcome to go ahead and adjust these. If you do want to change any of the default pages, all you have to do is click on the select button and locate the page that you want to use for that field. Remember Me enabled. Check mark this box to enable the Remember Me checkbox within the login form. Checkmarking the Enable Member Registration box will allow users to register directly from the login form widget. Then you have your registration and reset password pages, and the ability to enable the reset password link to appear within the login form widget. Once you've set up your login settings, if you scroll down, you will be able to configure each one of your teaser cards, which is the button tile. And for each one, you're going to go ahead and add an image. You can do so by clicking the select button, making sure you're within your media libraries, and selecting your image. So we'll select our image and click select. You can choose to add an alternative text, and this will display if the image is not loading within a user's web browser. Then you have a title and the teaser text. And the teaser text is a short description for your teaser card with a maximum of 125 characters. Then lastly, just make sure you do set your link URL, which is where your users will be redirected to when they click on the button tile. To set your URL, go ahead and click select. And you can choose the web tab if you'd like to link to an external web page, the media libraries if you'd like to link to a PDF, or the content tree if you'd like to link to an internal page within the website. Once you've added your page, go ahead and click select. Just make sure you fill out all these fields for each one of your teaser cards. And once you're complete, go ahead and save and close. Just make sure you go ahead and save your page. Now if we scroll down to the bottom of our page, here's our login form with Quick Links widget. And remember, because we already are logged into the website, we don't see the login form. So here's an example of what it would look like just seeing the 3 teaser cards.